is a camera?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like webcam.
And it's starting. Guys, you guys are on.
Holy crap.
Don't go over here,
okay?
I want him at a skating rink. I'm like,
What's zombie where?
Hey, YouTubers, my fans who watch counterclockwise. Y'all didn't say that. What zombie?
what? I'm gonna watch Orochimaru right now.
Snakes don't die even if they are halfway alive.
No, about worms.
Skin.
Die.
Skin is out there.
Oh, it shedded.
Cool. Korea stepped on you.
Korea, come in here. Don't you want to be on YouTube? We're being random. Cause it's Halloween.
Randomist.
I'm glad this one retarded
LOL,
kid
get in
isn't
there.
going. I don't think.
Dude, I was like Orochimaru, Deidara, until they.
Mostly Deidara and Orochimaru. There's hobos!
Look, this Visa doll is for sale for $50.
Smear your hands in it.
Yes, I love my hand.
Yeah, there was only half.
I know.
Ah, there's Samara! Beep! Weep!
Short.
I don't know.
6 o'clock, 6:19.
It's not 6:20.
Oh, now it's 6:20.
He wants to go when it's dark.
It's supposed to get dark at like 6,
That's
but it'll get dark by 6:30.
That's why I chose 7 o'clock in the week, because that's where like,
Seven.
You know, people? What time are you guys going out? Leave me a comment when you go out. My wall is like so awesome. It says emo ninja on my door. Hands solved.
We have to
I- Dude, I have Christmas crap in my room.
We don't have. I think we have eggs.
I was
I
wearing
think we have
some
confetti eggs.
yesterday.
We didn't
Yeah.
confetti, so come out.
I was like the teenage version of Orochimaru.
Confetti eggs would work. So we're like, it's
She looks like a better version. Man, you're pale. Like on here, you're like pale looking.
I always am
like
too.
You guys need to start talking to this.
We were talking until you turned around and told us to talk.
Somebody sit up there.
Hey, look at the squishy man. Look at I'm sitting in a squishy chair. Squishy.
I didn't want your butt in
I
my
like the way
face.
you're
I didn't want your butt in my face.
I know.
Ow!
Yo, guys.
Where's the background this time?
So,
Your hair, pink hair.
man, we have like 1, 2,
I know,
3,
everyone
4,
can see that.
5. It's like a mushroom.
What's like a mushroom?
Anytime someone eats it, they're gonna have hallucinations every time they're driving.
Eat me, I'm a Mario mushroom.
You know what? Mario can't even talk.
Oh, give me that.
Mario can't
That
even
was
talk.
random.
Talia.
I gotta fix my head
random
down.
video. I know. What if some guy dressed as Mario thought you were a mushroom, came up and picked you? What? Oh no.
It's like John Vito and Bam.
Squishy chair.
4, 3.
I'm sitting in the way back.
I just
Where
caught
there's nothing,
it.
and I was
Wait,
just
I
like,
want
I
to
caught
shot.
shotgun.
Oh, you're gonna get shot. Shotgun
Yeah.
is for people that
She
get
got
shot.
shotgun with my mom.
But I've handled it.
I know.
Well, I didn't get killed. No. I shot myself. But that's a different story. Why's my sock on the floor?
Because it's stuck.
I don't even know where
Those are.
Those look like my socks.
Wait.
No, Talia. Those
Come on.
striped ones are my socks. The black and white.
That's
No.
her sock.
I have a pair.
What?
Where's my other sock? You're sitting on my cell phone.
No, I'm not.
Dude, you lost my cell phone.
No, I did not. Oh my god, it's fun.
You lost my cell phone. I just got that yesterday. Where is my
Get up, Cliff.
What?
Where's my cell phone, Christiana?
Turn on the jacket.
My stud bill.
I just had it over there somewhere.
Christiana, you lost my cell phone.
No, I
You better
did
watch
not.
your glasses.
I was about to step on you too, so I had to walk over there.
Where are they? You lost my cell phone.
No, what is it?
Dude. I was wearing gloves.
glasses.
Ow! One sock. That's gay. And now I'm missing a sock. Lost
Dude,
my
let's
sock
go
and my
get
cell
this
phone.
What? Don't feel my ass.
Oh wait. Well, look in your pockets. Look if you can in my pants. I'm not going there.
I don't have one in my pants.
Yay.
Okay, peoples, we're gonna
right here,
turn this
Montana.
off now.
It's right here.
Leah.
Whoa.
Dang.
Are you done with my
Okay.
book yet?
No.
Whoa.
Dude, let's call Anthony.
Come on, Corey, you want to call your ex?
Okay, peoples, bye.